how to save cilantro seeds or how to get cilantro seeds for free. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to save cilantro seeds, how you can get cilantro seeds for free, and it's very easy to do. If you grow cilantro, I'll show you how to do that. So let's take a look and see how we can get cilantro seeds for free. You're never gonna buy cilantro seeds again. So here is our cilantro right here, and as you can see, the cilantro has dried and produced seeds, and these are the seeds right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our container. This is our container right here, and you can do it two ways. You can just harvest the seeds like this, just scrape it like that, pull it like that, and put it into a container like that, or you can just break it off like this and put it in the container and just let it dry a little bit more before you take all of it out. But what I'm gonna do is just go the easy route, just like that, and just you can just pull it. It's gonna either take the stem off, or you can just like that, and then all the seeds are gonna come out and stay in the container. So just move it like that. This right here. And then we're just gonna grab the rest of them. So as you can see right there, if you move it like that, you see the black, all is black. These are all the seeds. The black ones are all the seeds. So some of the seeds are still in here. So what I'm gonna do is just let it dry for a couple of days, and then I just squeeze it and get the rest out. So let's harvest the rest of the seeds, and then we're gonna go to the next step. Okay, this is what we got for the cilantro. So we're just gonna let it dry, and we'll come back for the next step in a couple of days. We're just gonna let it dry. Okay, this is the cilantro after about 3 days. It's all dry now. So what we're gonna do is just you can squeeze it and just try to get only the seeds. But what I just do is just once it's all dry like this, I'm just gonna put it in the bag and use it in the garden next year. So what I'm gonna do is just get a paper bag. If you have a paper envelope, that's fine, but if you don't have a paper envelope, I just use a paper towel like that, put it on it, fold it, and put it in a plastic bag, and then just label it. There you go, you have your cilantro. You can use it to plant next year or the year after that, or a couple of years after that. Also make sure that you date the seeds, so that way you know when you harvested the seeds. Okay, thank you for watching the video. I hope you loved the video. If you love the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.